To COVID-19 in Colorado, and tonight, Children's Hospital Colorado is warning about an increase in cases of a rare and serious complication for children exposed to COVID-19. KRDO News Channel 13's Jasmine Arenas has the latest numbers and what else you need to know.
In December, Children's Colorado say they saw almost 20 cases of MIS-C. Now the CDC reporting up to 30, and it's heavily impacting minority children. The multi-system inflammatory syndrome in children is a rare complication of COVID-19.
I want to be very clear that usually with MIS-C, what you see is the patient is infected or exposed to COVID-19.
MIS-C usually presents itself after 4 weeks of COVID exposure or infection.
So some of the time, the parents don't even know that their child had COVID, and it's just when they come into the hospital that we do appropriate testing and we find evidence of past COVID infection, and then they realize, oh yes, we had this exposure.
According to the Centers for Disease Control, 37% of cases found are in Hispanic children, 34% in Black, and 19% in white.
Currently, our hypothesis is that the higher number of cases of MIS-C found in Hispanic and Black populations is secondary to higher exposure to COVID-19. Having said that, we're very early in our learning curve of MIS-C.
The symptoms Dr. Londoño Obregon with Children's Colorado suggests you look out for are very much alike to the COVID-19 symptoms. It can range anywhere from fatigue, vomiting, chills, fever, and cough, just to name a few. Last year, the state of Colorado saw 2 deaths attributed to MIS-C. Though a low number, the number of cases seen in December is concerning.
It is extremely, extremely rare, but there's still a lot that we're learning about it. And I would like to emphasize that the only way we have to prevent MIS-C is to prevent COVID infection.
Now, Children's Colorado Hospital suggests following CDC guidelines heavily as far as putting your mask on, washing your hands, and keeping a safe social distance. Reporting in Colorado Springs, Jasmine Arenas, KRDO News Channel 13.
Well, stay with us.